Okay, this we have the MPLS light by Princeton Tec. This one's one of those made in USA ones. This one, I really like the quality on this one. This one you can mount basically in two ways. You can mount it onto your helmet with the arc system or the Picatinny that you have on both sides. This one is the tan one. I do wish they came with a battery, just so you kind of had one to start off with, play with it right out of the box. That's always nice in my opinion, but those batteries are pretty cheap, so it's not like it's a very big deal that you have to go find your own battery for it. And as always with one of our orders, we'll give them the patches, the business card, the magnet, the sticker, and the Jolly Ranchers. And we're going to do another vote. What do you guys think as far as it comes to Jolly Ranchers? Which one is the best flavor and which one is the worst? For me, I think watermelon, I've said it multiple times, watermelon is the best flavor, maybe followed by cherry. I think I could occasionally trade it out for some cherry, but anything like grape or the blueberry flavor, really not my thing. And there we go. Congratulations on your tan MPLS.